This 2006 Mercedes-Benz CLS class is being offered by Infiniti of Omaha at the low price of $39,988. What can be said about this CLS 500 other than this is one refined luxury car? Mercedes made huge design changes starting with this car. Its quality, fit and finish are all Mercedes and are well above par. Driving this car makes you feel like $1 million. Driving and luxury appointments are so well balanced for an exciting drive. Even 2 years old, it's great to drive and performance is there when you need it. Performance. Acceleration 0-100 km per hour in 5.9 sec. And braking is a Mercedes class. Very easy to handle and to dimension the appearance. The best in its category. It tests very fun to drive, offering a high level of comfort and class. Call us today.